Here are resistance bands produced by Stroops for S3 Balance. The shorter length I have attached to the handlebar. I'm going to clip it onto the center loop. I can move more towards the back of the device to get more resistance with my rows, or I can scoot up front if I want less resistance. To do shoulder rotator cuff, I can clip on to the side, position myself, get my shoulder blade back, practice that external rotation. Now I'm going to take my clip, I'm going to clip it down here. This would be a higher resistance with my bicep curls, but if I were taller or if this was too much resistance, I could go to my longer band. Do my bicep curls here with less resistance. If I take off my handlebar, my handhold here, swap it out with this loop, holding on, I can just put my foot into the loop, and now I've got hip extension, or I can turn sideways for leg out.